Today is the day. Come on.
Hello, Mama.
You are ready. Guys, good morning. Pawis na ang lola mo. Init ng panahon. Kahit na sabihin mong maulan, mainit pa rin. There you are. We're cooking. Yes. We're cooking giniling. Ding 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 ding. You're mixed. You're mixing. Huwag niya nang pansinin yung pawis na kilikili. Pawis din daw yung kilikili niya. Yan guys. Binuti tayo ng giniling. Ginamit natin dyan bawang sibuyas, kamatis, then paminta, asin. Then nagkukusang watery yung giniling. So, sinasangkutsa pa lang po natin siya. Ayan. Oh! You're so mean to me! Why is that? Why is that, boss madam? Kasama natin si boss madam sa pagluluto. Hello, 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 hello. So, ayan, habang tayo nagluluto, latagan natin si Boss Madam ng mat. Umalis ka nga dyan. Alis, Momo! So, may mga asungot. Kailangan talaga nito ni Momo ng ng panakot eh. Yan, lalalag tayo ng mat. Para dito si Boss Madam. Okay? Rolling foley, rolling foley, rolling foley, rolling foley. That is your mat. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yung mga alagang aso ni Madam, parang mas boss pa eh. Diba? Oh, siya pagalit oh. Siya pagalit. Diba? Siya pagalit. Stretching. Nag-i-stretching si Boss Madam. Nag-i-stretching siya. Bigyan natin siya ng ano pwede niyang gawin. Here's the crayon. Sa lunchbox niya yung crayon. Here. 1 crayons. Yes. Yan. So, lagyan muna natin konting patis. Siya. Konti lang. Bango. Tapos, ayun naman si Boss Madam. Yan. Yan siya! Nang kulit. Oh. Behave si Boss Madam eh. Oh, bait ka? You're so kind. Wow! What color is that? What's that color? Oh, what's that color? Hey. What's that color? Ay, you're crying. You're crying. How about the happy? Mad. How's the mad? She don't know how to be mad. But sometimes she is so frustrated, right? No? Oh, that's mad. Guys, once na sangkot siya na natin, so lagay na natin yung ating carrots at patatas. Yan, ilagay na natin yung ating carrots at patatas. Then, simmer na natin siya ng ilang minutes. Pagya lang, para lang maluto yung carrots. Then, going back to Boss Madam. Yeah. Ay! Dance, 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 dance. Bad hair days. Kuha tayo ng pang-ipit sa buhok. Lagyan natin sa buhok mo. Later pa siya maliligo. So early pa. Yan, ipitan muna natin sa basura. Later pa siya maliligo, guys. Mga mima, later pa siya maliligo. Diba? Ayaw niya magpaipit. Where's the color yellow? Where's the color yellow? Show me the color yellow. Show me. Where's the color yellow? Oh, where's the color yellow? Get the color yellow. Come on. Get the color yellow. Get the color yellow.
Orange.
Orange? Is that orange? Green? I thought yellow. Yellow. Where's the yellow?
No.
No. Ayaw niya. She's mad. Oh, you're so mad. You're crying. What's a mad? Mad. Hi. Hello, hello, hello. Our boss, madam. Oh, what's that color? You're so pretty, oh, when your hair is done. See? Extra. Ang asungot, yan. Feeling niya, siya yung ano, siya yung artist. Feeling niya, siya yung boss. Kailangan talaga meron akong hawak na ano eh, na panakot. Don't step on it. Thank you. Okay guys, back to our niluluto. Yes. Medyo nag-simmer na siya. Buti ka ng masunog. Minsan giniling lang siya, guys. Yan. Tapos lagyan na natin siya ng konting oyster sauce. Yan. Para medyo manamis-namis. Yan. Tapos later, lalagyan natin siya ng asin, paminta, then konting sugar. Paminta. Ay. Asin. Then sugar. So now, lalagay na natin ang ating bell pepper. Okay? Yan. Medyo dagdagan lang natin ng asin kasi matabang siya. Mahirap talaga pag hindi marunong magluto. Ayan, konti na lang. Luto na siya. Oh no! What happened? What happened? Oh, what happened? You have a boo-boo? You have a boo-boo? No? Okay. Ah. Itchy, itchy. Ouch, ouch. Okay guys, yan na po. Ang huli, ang ilalagay natin ay ang nilagang egg. So, ginsang giniling with nilagang egg. Yeah. That's our po menu for today. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Bye! Say bye now! Say bye now! Tayo na yung magliligpit ng ating pinagamitan. So, bye! That's so many.